Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over the build sheet for the new 2019 Mercedes Sprinter that we just got. This van is going to be used for both my business as well as family time. So I'm going to be really trying to focus on building out the ultimate work/play vehicle. We're going to be starting off. We're going to go through the build sheet and get you guys dialed in exactly what we're going to be doing, show you some pictures, and just walk you through it that way. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I got the build sheet here. All right, so step number one, rear panel windows for ventilation. So basically what we're doing here is C.R. Lawrence makes these windows. They're sliding windows. I think their approximate dimensions are about 10 by 33 inches, something like that. They have a slightly bigger one that was appealing to me. I like the smaller one. It looks a little more, makes the van look a little bit more kind of an overlandy look, which I really like. And the bigger ones were actually out of stock, so I had those on order. They were out of stock. They got pushed back a little bit further than I'd like. A friend of mine had the smaller ones in stock, so I went ahead and just went with those. Again, I like the look of them, but more importantly, I'm impatient and I wanted to get them now. So actually, as I'm filming this video, those windows are actually being installed as we speak. So that's exciting for me. I'm pretty excited to get that going. Okay, step number two, the Moab bed, also known as the mother of all beds from Adventure Wagon. I went ahead and ordered this last week. It should be being shipped out here shortly. It ships freight, so I believe it'll arrive on a pallet. So I'll inspect that, get it all dialed in, and then my friend and I will be installing that, which should be, it's basically L-Tracks. It's an adjustable height bed, so basically you can, when you're not sleeping in it, you can move it all the way to the top. It's also actually really easy to remove completely if you wanted to, but most of the time what I'm going to be doing is working out of the bottom of the van and have the bed just up high and easily adjustable. So actually, yeah, here's some videos of some images of the Moab bed. This is straight from Adventure Wagon's website and Instagram page. So take a look at them. This bed's pretty incredible. My friend that builds out all these vans does this bed in a lot of his builds, and I think it supports up to 600 pounds or something like that. Super lightweight, completely adjustable. So yeah, I'm excited to get that in and installed. Once that's installed, we're going to soundproof and insulate the rear panels of the van, just to quiet it down. These crew vans or cargo vans, both, they're just the metal sheet down the sides typically, so they get pretty loud with wind noise. So we're going to soundproof and insulate it, and from there we're going to be building the wall panels around the window and bed frame. This just gives it a nice finished look. We'll be upholstering it probably with just some sort of a lightweight carpet material. We may go a little fancier. I haven't completely decided on that yet, but for now we will be just planning on using the carpet. All right, so currently all the 2018 and older models, you can get all these swivel bases for the front seats. For the 2019s, there's one company that has them out, but they're a little bit more expensive. And then there's a less expensive option coming out within the next month, I believe. So I'm actually going to be getting those here shortly. And what's great with those is we'll install those. The seats will be able to turn around. I'll show you some pictures here. But yeah, so you can when you're not driving, you spin the seats around, have a table there, and you can have your lunch, just hang out there, and then you have your sleeping arrangement in the back. Along with that, we're going to be installing a mounting bracket and a table that'll go between the back seat and the front seats when they're splitting around and for lunch. Last but not least, we will also be installing, I'll show you some pictures here, I'm sure you guys have seen this before, but a decked system. Since I'm going to be working out of the vehicle, this will be perfect for keeping all my tools and all my materials that I need. and I can actually just leave it in there if we go for a weekend trip, camping, or whatever else. It'll be out of the way, nice and clean, and be perfect. So just wanted to give you guys that quick rundown on my build sheet for what we're going to be doing with the van. I'm super excited to get it done. Our next video, we're probably going to be doing a miles per gallon video since this is the 2019 gas version. This is the first time they've ever done it, and I want to get everyone some information on the gas mileage that I'm getting out of the van. So currently, I'm just putting around town, a little bit of freeway stuff here and there. I'm averaging about 17 miles per gallon. So I'm going to go ahead and do a video with kind of a longer road trip, mostly freeway, so we can get a good, accurate reading on the freeway mileage. All right, guys, have a good one. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.